we're back. We got this 65 in the garage. I stopped working on the inside of this so I can get started on this Riviera. Wanted to show you around this thing before we started tearing into it. You can see the shop itself. We're getting it insulated. We're getting everything squared away. Gonna try to finish the shop and work on the cars. Go back and forth with it. Keep everything square. Progress on each at the same time, trying to anyways. So I wanted to show you this 65. Let me get out of the way so you can look at it. You can see these are more rare than anything. I see a lot of 63s, not so many 65s, but you can see some holes. We got some rust holes here. We got some rust down here and stuff, but I mean it's pretty solid. We got some issues with floorboards and shit like that. We're going to replace, clean, correct, neutralize rust. We're going deep on this one. I'm excited about it. The owner has the 401 in it. He's getting that all redone and squared away. We're gonna go pretty much a full custom, but pretty damn close. We're gonna keep the outside pretty much original. Talking about doing some scallops back here like the 63s have. They have a little bit of what have you in this general area. Just some chrome highlights and shit. But like I said, we're gonna go deep on this. We're gonna do some work, a lot of metal work. We're gonna do a nice custom trunk. We're gonna do some custom shit up here after we get everything squared away. Talking air ride, all that good stuff. Vintage air, new interior. We're gonna keep it as original, I think, as possible, but I gotta get all the rest of this trim off, clean everything up, get the windows out, everything like that. So we'll do a little, you can see there's some rust, which is all right. You know, both of these back here need done. The rockers aren't bad. Everything up front here is not bad. Solid for the most part. Well, not for the most part. 75–85% of the car's solid. But you can see we have some issues here. But we have brand new floor pans. There's a company that makes them. That way I don't have to. But just a once over, you can see it's not bad. You know, we got a couple of issues here and there, but gonna be fun playing around in here. There are some areas that are gonna need some work, but we're gonna tear into it. This trunk area needs some work, but I mean the support brackets, you know, these main supports in here, but I'm gonna have to cut this out and see what the hell's going on, because we got some shit going on. I said that makes these, the customer supplied this stuff. This doesn't really matter. We're gonna see some of these mounts are gonna need addressed, so we're gonna rebuild some of that shit. So you can see why we got all the pans for that. Everything else is nice though, you know. These doors are interesting. You can see this whole entire outer shell of the door comes apart. It's got no access panels inside here to get to the window mechanism and shit. So I guess Volkswagens and stuff, and newer vehicles have stuff like that. This is one of my first encounters with this style, as far as American-made shit. But we're gonna play with that and get this chrome off of here, so I don't do anything to it, because a lot of it, like this, is gonna need. I mean, there's pitting going on here, but everything else looks good. All that stuff should be able to be spit shined. Like I said, just wanted to show you what was going on today. Wanted to show you this, the newest member of the I.B.F. Hot Rod world. Customer is excited, I'm excited, and let's start rocking and rolling.